Hi po! Ako si NJ, at saka nandyan si mami ko. At saka nandyan si lola ko, first lola ko. At saka grandpa from the United States.
Go stand by the television.
And
Turn around. Stand
And
by
we're-
the rocket.
and we're watching Artemis
Yeah, so they
Artemis 2 launch. It's about to launch tomorrow because our time is different from United States. And I want to comment from the TV. Look, see it. So we see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. We'll see you on the launch. Or I'll see you outside. I'll see you outside from the smoke and stuff. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good night ka din. See you tomorrow. Hi, I'm back.
Jay, ulitin mo.
Hi, I'm back now. Hear what he says. What she says.
Try to launch. Well, the Artemis launch team, which we see here on our screen, they are sitting on console getting ready to launch our Artemis 2 moon rocket.
It was today. It's today about the Artemis 2 launch. Here's my model space shuttle, but I was just copying look like the Artemis 2. Okay, wait.
We are currently in slow fill for both the core stage liquid hydrogen and liquid.
That's the core stage.
Means that
The color orange.
is officially underway. We are now starting to load these cryogenic temperatures onto the SLS rocket.
It's 9 hours now.
Start at the bottom and make our way slowly up to the top. So we'll first start with loading the first stage of the rocket. That's what we call the core stage. It is the orange section of the rocket that you see there on your screen that sits
There it is.
between the two solid rocket boosters.
And there's the 2 solid rock boosters.
Now we are currently again in slow fill for both liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen on that core stage. Slow fill refers to, as the name suggests, to slowly start loading the propellant. Now,
They're so slow to fill the core stage. Look at the space shuttle. This is that similar look like the core stage. This look like the core stage and the 2 solid rocket boosters, or SRBs, or ET the exorbitant. And there's the tower board system. And there's the Orion spacecraft. But they'll re-enter for about few days or longer days for whatever. They'll re-enter again and return to Earth safely. I'm NJ. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow po ulit.
2,000 years later.
Ano na po, gising na po kami para sa launch na yung Artemis 2 na. Nandyan na po.
I-off mo yan. Off mo muna. Spaceship.
Ayun na po.
Archie.
Ayun na po. Nagising na po kami po para sa Artemis 2 launch. Ayun na po.
Archie, different.
You see, there's 3 of them and one's on the top 4 of them.
Archie.
Artemis Mission Special. About to launch na po. gonna pause the video first. Oh, nag-stop.
Ano mo?
Those are the silver lang, daddy.
These spikes, tignan mo yun. Just na.
Of the American people and our partners across the world, and the hope and dream of a new generation. Good luck.
Dapat voyage, jami ko na sa tangay.
Ay, let it go na daw. Let it go na daw.
Diba, let it go. That's the same voice from the Space Shuttle SS-135. Nakita mo dun sa ano? Hindi, alam niya ang part ng ano.
You know, basta driver. Iran yan.
Ano pa? It's American!
That's why yung movie.
Hoy! Hoy, nag-lift off na!
Oh my!
Oh, nag-lift off na din kay AJ.
Ayun yung camera sa sound.
Ayun na may mga ano.
RCS.
Walang center eh.
Naku, ingatan mo naman, Lord, ang mga astronauts. Lord, ingatan niyo po mga astronauts.
Iran yung jet fighter.
Just bring them back.
Maabangan na rin. Naisip ko niya kanina lang.
Basta Iran yung missile.
Hindi mas mabilis yan, mahal. Baka hindi abutan ng. Tsaka mataas na yan.
At saka meron naman smoke screen, mami. Orange smoke screen dahil sa boost. Dahil sa SRB.
Ayun na! Gusto ko yung reaction ni NJ. Ano yung mag-orbit na sila?
Malapit na sila.
Sa orbit?
Apo.
Ng Earth?
While the SRBs are dropped, the four stage engines are on their own.
Ah.
Just like the space shuttle has 3 main engines are on their own. Ang ganito yung bed nito.
Bakit pababa?
Di ba kung straight na, ma-orbit na sila? After higher Earth orbit, parang number 8 na siya clockwise.
Sisiparin kasi yung ano, di ba? Yung white.
Tapos orbit. At saka, ayun.
Separate na, NJ?
Opo, parang di SRB parang ganun.
Yung booster niya.
Hindi ko nga matanggal kasi. Hindi, ito.
Yun, yung booster niya natanggal na.
No, that's full stage. Then my color orange.
Ayun na, nag-separate na, no?
Ako, yung mga two. At saka yung white dot, that's the engines. Ayun yung white long lines. Those are the SRBs. Solar rocket boosters. Parang may ginawa ko yan ngayon kay Granta's phone namin.
Ano yun natanggal?
The bearings and the tower abort system. I know, the tower abort system. Bearings and the tower abort system.
Natanggal na din.
core stage.
GPS signals acquired after last jettison now working on
Telescope na lang yan. And may nandyan cut off. Ano nga nang ako yun na nagabi ko nandyan cut off. Parang ikaw.
Ang late na.
T plus na.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
That means the countdown just back to normal, not minus. May nagtutugtog sa war. May nagtutugtog sa war. Nakita mo, ayun lahat.
Sabi mo, happy ka? Nakita mo yung actual launch? Ha? Ikaw?
Happy po ako na si ko ngayon sa TV actual launch. What's this? Tumble decks?
Asa na yung rocket ship mo? Patingin na ka. Ayos
Hindi mo binigyan.
Well, there's a bullet train here.
Ito yung tumble decks na ginawa ko dito.
May bullet train.
Ay, nakita mo ba yung tower na to? Wala na siya. Wala na po siya.
Sunset time in Florida is around between 7:40 and 8 o'clock at night.
Look at the comments. They're really happy about the Artemis 2 mission. Grandpa, Lola, come and say hi. Hi. Grandpa? Grandpa, say hi. Grandpa? Daddy, mommy, say hi. Ito pa, Daddy. Are you lazy?
No? Windows.
Ayun na, Jayo.
Ayan na po.
Ayun na, it explode.
Yung ICPS. Ay, no, yung potato. And brain non-stop spa. Canada. Ngayon, tapos na yung core stage. Mamaya, solar array wings.
Ayun na, sa kanya nag-register siya.
Mamaya,
And to Houston, Matt Tigers on board through the FTM.
You heard what he said. Oh, wala na yung... There's no incoming rockets on Oxford. Ayan ako. What do you mean sa bumabog?
Kaboom!
Ano ba, kabo? Ayan po. April Fool's Day?
Chicken nugget.
Successful launch April Fool's Day. Ayan po. Naka-launch na. Saka malapit na mag...
They even have free
Ayun na,
Palestine.
chicken nuggets. So, chicken nuggets.
Free
Ayan
Palestine.
na.
People put anything they want.
Malapit na mag-solar array wings
Ano,
open.
hamburger, cheeseburger.
So that's it out to our video po sa NASA's Artemis 2 Mission Specialist. Special rocket. We'll see you soon at San Pablo for 10 days. See you again. Bye bye. Like for part 2.